Hello students, so welcome again. I am here with another problem on projection of solid. This time the solid will be a triangular prism. You know that triangular prism will be the first solid, you know that will be the prism that will be used in the practicals of optics, है ना. ऑप्टिक्स के प्रैक्टिकल में आप लोग इसको यूज करते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है आप सब पहचानते हो. और ये वन ऑफ द ईजीएस्ट प्रॉब्लम है मुझे लगता है. और रिसेंटली ये हमारे आरजीपीवी के दो कंटिन्यूस पेपर्स में आया है. मतलब आप सरप्राइज होंगे, जून 23 एंड दिसंबर 23 में दो बार लगातार रिपीट हुआ. बड़ा सिंपल सा प्रॉब्लम है. अगर इफ़ यू रीड द प्रॉब्लम, there will be a triangular prism having side of base 30 mm, axis 55, lying on its rectangular face on the HP with axis parallel to VP. ये solid की third simple position है when the axis of the solid will be parallel to both the plane. So in this case what we are starting this solid with the help of side view. So already the figure will be drawn here. So I have started with drawn the XY line first, then after XY line we have drawn the X1 Y1, that is the second reference line representing the profile plane, and we started from the left side. Actually I am drawing the left side view, so I have started from the right, and this will be the side view of this prism. So I am looking from this direction, so this triangle will be visible as the face will be on the HP. So in the front view, or you can say in the side view also, this line will be lying on the XY line, and this is not the line, this is the face. If you look at these points, that is, this will be A1 double dash, B1 double dash, C1 double dash, backside base will be A2 double dash. So this will be a face. So the face will be lying on the HP. Now with the help of this we will draw the front view, as the length of the prism will be 55. So just project the projectors, again orthographic projection, so the projectors must be perpendicular to the new XY line, and we got the front view, mark the axis. Then the same method you will project the top view, projectors from the front view and the projectors from the side view. Now we will carry forward this distance by rotating. This will be the center point Q, and take these radius from the arc. You can easily understand I am carry forwarding the same distance. So this is one of the simplest problem. One of the interesting part about this problem will be, this problem can be started in all the three way. Even I can start from the top view like this, draw the triangle, and in the second stage I will light like this. So we will get the solution. Or maybe if I start like this, that is axis perpendicular to VP, then I will move it like this. So that is the solution. So this is a very special problem. You can start from any position, from the front view, top view, or maybe side view. This time I have used the side view method. This is one of the very simplest problem. I hope you understand the concept. Draw it. Thank you.